Yo, what's happening? Damn, that boy came across the lane like it was okay. Anyway, what's happening with y'all, man? We back up in here with another one of them things, man. And today is no different from any other day. You know what I'm saying? I want to thank y'all for being here. Shout out to all of my support. Y'all are my support system. Y'all support me, not just financially, but y'all support me mentally. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me through the comments. Y'all support me to keep going when I just don't feel like it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all support me. Like when I wake up, like, man, I don't even feel like posting no video today. I think about y'all, be like, but they want this content though. Like they want to see what's going on. So I have to get off my butt and go and handle my business, you know what I'm saying, for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Some of this stuff get y'all through the day, you know what I'm saying? Whoever y'all watch, whether it be me, whether it be somebody else, you know what I'm saying? Some of this stuff get y'all through the day, man, you know what I'm saying? Make y'all day a little better. You know what I'm saying? Y'all might be feeling down a day or something, and, you know, somebody come through with, you know, some nice content, car content, some motivational content, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be like, oh, okay, yeah, I feel better now. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I just want to thank y'all for taking time out of y'all day. You know what I'm saying? To see what to check to see what I got going on my little videos. You know what I'm saying? But today I have a new endeavor going on, but I ain't gonna speak on it too much right now. But I will speak on so I don't know if y'all remember, but I had said a little while ago, man, I was like, I wanted to gain a little more weight. Like my goal weight was like 180, right? So my scale at home fluctuates between like 168 and 172, some shit like that. So there's this place that I go to that I take scrap cans to all the time, right? So, and you have to weigh in, but I have to weigh in with me in the truck. So I thought about it today. I weighed in today, right? And you know what I'm saying? On the way out, you know, you have to weigh out. So I did the math on the numbers of an empty truck, of the, you know what I'm saying, the empty weight, the way out, and you know what I'm saying, with me in the truck and out the truck. So the outweigh was showing that I weighed between 180 and 190 because it was jumping like back and forth. I think it was like 33,000 something, and it ended up being like 33,810 when I got out of the truck, or 33,820 or something. Like it was jumping back and forth. So yeah, somebody scale wrong. I don't know, pretty proud of mine at the house though. But so now I feel like I done got close enough to my goal weight. So now I feel like, all right, I need to go and start cutting. But I don't want to cut to the point to where I lose and get back down to like 160, 150 and all that right there. Like I want to stay at, you know what I'm saying, my goal weight. So my question to y'all is, and I'm gonna do some research on it too. But my question is, what do I do? What do I eat? How do I eat to keep my weight on, but you know what I'm saying, like build a muscle at the same time with the cutting or whatnot? That's my question. You I'm a probably, like, I've been drinking too, so I've been drinking a lot. So what I need to do, I kind of want to, I don't know, cause I have me a little shot every now and then. Like I don't drink heavy like every day. I have me a little shot, you know what I'm saying? You know, every other day, or when I'm chilling. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Like, should I just keep it drinking on the weekends? Should I have it like drinking 3 days a week? Like, you know what I'm saying? On the weekends and one day during the week? Like, how should I do this? What I need to eat? How I need to eat? How often do I need to eat? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to figure it out, because I actually wanna do this, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna get myself together. I wanna get myself in shape, because, man, I walked to the bus stop to pick my son up the other day, man. Right up the street from my house, bro. I was out of breath. Like, I was literally out of breath. And I was like, man, what is going on? This ain't right. Like, this ain't cool. You out of breath walking around the corner? Damn. So, yeah. I gotta get myself together, man. Gotta get myself together. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is, I'm headed to the house right now. Headed to the house. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go to the crib, get on the scale, see what my scale say. I'm gonna show y'all what my scale say. And yeah, we're gonna have to figure out something, man. Y'all gotta let me in on the secrets, man. I need to know, you know what I'm saying, how to eat, what to eat, when to eat, how much working out to do. Well, I'm just gonna start on the working. I'm just gonna start, you know what I'm saying, I can start with the push-ups and the dumbbells or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And like, that can get me started. I can look at some dumbbell workouts on YouTube. That can get me started, you know what I'm saying, until I start back going to the gym. But I really wanna start cutting back. Cutting this fat, man. You know what I'm saying? Put some muscle behind it. So yeah, let me get to the house. And let me get to the house. Hey, also, man, I think I came up with a name for the box, man. But if y'all can send me some comments, man. Don't do it. If y'all can send me some comments, man, on the box, on a name for the box, man. I've been asking y'all, man, and a whole lot of folks ain't been reacting. So I need some names for the box, man. If not, I'm gonna go with the name that I got in my head, which is probably gonna be pretty funny. But yeah, I need that from y'all, man. I need that interaction from y'all. But yeah, let me get to this house, and I'll hit y'all in a second. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Alright, y'all. So we made it to the house. We got the scale right here. You know what I'm saying? Gonna take everything out of my pockets. Everything out of my pocket. Phones, everything. I'm gonna even take my shoes off. Take my knife. Take my knife out. I ain't reading. Just said, ew, I broke that junk. Huh?
Can't bend it, I don't know. Just bend straight up.
This junk short, I ain't reading. 166. That's it. 166. But like I said, on that truck scale, it was saying I was either 180 or 190. So I don't know which one right, which one wrong. But the truck done wrong.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, what's the doctor? It don't say 195, 194. That's right.
All right, what yours say? I ain't gonna show him your weight though. Well, I mean, if they see your weight, they probably gonna know you ain't scared of. Batteries might be low on that junk. Okay, shit. Big fan mother. Okay. Yeah. That thing heavy, boy. Why I get heavy like that?
I don't know.
I ain't do that. I said, why I get heavy like that? I ain't do that.
Why I get heavy like what?
That thing heavy like a dump truck. Ain't funny? We ain't talk about this. So, yeah. Where we at, man? I said 166, so I guess I still need to cut though, cause I gotta do something, cause I was out of breath just walking around the corner. But that ain't gonna work. So, yeah. Y'all jump down in the comments, man. Tell me what can I do to keep my weight, work out, and not lose, you know what I'm saying, my mass that I have already. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna, how often should I eat? What should I eat? All that good stuff right there. And what I do in my bag? And stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna keep the mass that I have. So, yeah. That being said, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't himself. Checking up out of here, man. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.